welcome to my channel. It's June and look at the garden, it is so just check this out. The whole thing is cut out. See? Very chaotic and messy. I said I'll just say a quick hello because I cannot dedicate that much time when I used to dedicate earlier, right? But I'll try my best. I said I'll teach the bitches a lesson who mess around with me. Oh God, I can't tell you how I'm feeling at the moment when I'm running pillar to the post. In fact, I think last year I looked much better. It's because of the food, water, place. Oh yeah, everything is adulterated, right? Battery is 15%. I don't have the strength. I thought I'll go to the pond park, but I skipped it. It's my kurta. I just like this design. Time is just running by. Okay, so what do I want to say is that yes, I said a lion is a lion. What to say, gidad is a gidad. अगर है ना, if you have the guts, then stand there and face me. Don't be like this gidad kind of a person running pillar to the post. Half the times I'm not even like lion. सबको ऐसे नमस्ते नमस्ते करता नहीं फिरता है. So just calm down that ass. And I'm seriously like, I cannot believe last year around this time, I think I was 26, right? That was a different, like I was in a different planet altogether. I was like this like, I won't say isolated hermit. I was like this monk in my own world, in my own galaxy. Even the slightest communication used to bother me. Now I am like this. I'm totally different. When I see myself a year ago and what I'm seeing right now, it's like poles apart. Because all that me being quiet has given me the energy, the possible bandwidth to face a different type of crowd. Otherwise, I don't think I will be able to. First and foremost, I'm very, very sensitive of any kind of communication, and then if the communication goes haywire, then I am a kind of a person who's really going to address it. Earlier it was not an issue because I was just to myself doing whatever I loved. Now when I have to do projects and I have to do campaigns and I have to do so many other things and I have to be with different types of people, and I'm like, Lord, give me the strength. It's not possible. It's just all over the place. It's so much of communication that people think, yeah, no, Shanti is just like this Veli kind of a person. I'll say, come and sit on my seat and take those amount of phone calls, take those messages, take those emails. Then I will give you like on the spot 10,000 rupees. Come on, for 24 hours do what I am doing and then open your mouth. In the mornings I'm a bit free, I'm a little better. Feeling much better. Yesterday I had a great lunch. An uncle had invited me to his place along with only his family was there. So he had also invited me. He's like, Shanti, I wanted to. All the time he used to say, and he's 80 years old and he's prepared the entire meal by himself. He had made fantastic noodles. He had made some curries and kheer he packed for me and also he gave it to me. Can you imagine? There was prayers. So that way. And it's a building without a lift, so they have to. they have to go by steps, so that way. I don't know why people pray so much, but okay, if it is for me, even if I'm invited to a prayer out of respect, because because I know these people personally, and just because I have my very strict beliefs, that doesn't mean I will attend it out of the other day I went to Gurdwara also. Okay, and I'm just saying that just because I have my stringent beliefs doesn't mean I really do not believe in all this images or any of these kind of itne sare prayer karna. But ठीक है, I was invited. They told me to do, because since I was very active once upon a time for to sing some this or to say a little bit of prayer, I said I will definitely come down. मैं खुद भी इतना, I just visit the church in the mornings. That's it. That's the only thing which I do. Otherwise, I don't really mingle around. I don't. I'm not a very prayerful person. I don't believe in having structured prayers. That is my belief. But when I'm with the people, yes, I will. I respect their religion, whoever's religion it is. For me, it has nothing to do with your religion. But when I see people going haywire, I feel like saying, why do you all pray so much? Half the time those prayers are like those रटाए हुए prayers ही होते हैं. Am I looking cool? Am I looking gorgeous? So ऐसा है. And when I'm with the people, I have to just kind of, I hope you understand. At least in India, I don't know other countries, I have no idea what is the hisab. But when you're in India, when you're living with different cultures, you need to really be a little more, you need to be tolerant, you need to mingle around. That's it. The whole thing looks like this. See. Chalo, I'll wind up before these women come into the frame. Bye. Take care.